Hi, Pre-K. Today I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing in social studies. In social studies, we learn to understand directions, to use and read maps. We learn about Earth and its landforms. We learn to recognize community helpers. We learn all about our community, which is where we live, about other cultures, like other parts of the world, character education, like if we should, when we need to be nice, and we also learn to respect others, and life skills. This week, we are going to be learning about school as a community and our classroom and how we should treat one another and how we have to follow rules when we are in school. The activities you're going to be doing in Seesaw for social studies are in box number 6 in the weekly lesson plans, and there you will be doing something related to social studies. Hope you have fun.